So we want to go to project and go to here our own schematic library and click here, and in here SCH library, and no, we want to right click in here, and no, not right click, just add here what it should be. It is ESP7 that I wanna. Let's put 0 in here as well. I wanna create ESP7 library, so I will call it here. Let's just put OK, and this will give us empty schematic to design with it. What's important is this: it has 16 pad or 16 pin, you see. And from internet we know that, let's just open this ESP7, so we know that it's okay. Let's just see one that ESP7 pins. Click here, and that's so cool. It is okay. So let's just save this, save image, and because this is like an MCU, it works. It is a microprocessor. I will save it in docs MCU ESP7.jpg. So it is saved, and we know pin 1 is RST. Let's just close this, save it, because this is in our library, so it is okay. Let's just close this, and we don't want to save this because this is one that, let's just make this bigger, and we start from here. So let's go to here again and find what we, if I click E, we go to E section, and I did create, by clicking here I did create another part that I don't want, so I will delete this. And no, let's just have, if you click here you can make this how big you want, no matter. You see, there is a problem here that I don't like this grid here. I can't see it. Let's just go to preferences and change something here. Right click here and preferences, and in schematic we use meals. That is okay for schematic, so size is okay. Go to the next, go to here graphical editing, and a small cursor, just make it large. We want large, and apply it, and go to grid and change its color to black and apply, and okay. So you know you can see the grid. Let's just go back and change it, change its color, so it will be like this. I think it will be good. No, let's just change it again. Color that we want, maybe a little whiter, so it is okay. I think it is okay now. How many pin we want? We want 8 pin here and 8 pin here. So let's just click here, and you see the size of this here, and it not snapping right in here. so it is not okay. I think for better reading, let's just do something. Now in here, if you see here, grid is 10 millimeter. So let's just click here, and it doesn't snap in anywhere. Let's just click G on keyboard to see it now is snapping on here that we want. If you put G again, you see G in here, grid. If you click G again, you see in 10 it 100 mil. So you see a snapping. If I put G again, it's 10 mil. So if you see again, you see that. So we want 8. 1. We want to start from 1. So again 1. Of course, if you want to change this, it is now 2, but you want to change it to 1. Okay, let's just hit tab and go here, and you see designator, we want to be 1, and the name of it should be 1. And name, what name should be? Name is RST or reset. So RST. It is good that we write description here and select electrical type, and now it is input. You see, we make it input, so it is okay. And I think that is good. It is reset pin. I will just write reset pin in description and press enter, and this is okay. And now here with left click I put it in there. So pin 2, what it is, let's just hit tab and let's see what is pin 2. It is a ADC. So let's just put ADC in here, and ADC is an input, but you can use it as an output. So we just do it like this. That is the pin that can be input or output. So it is an ADC, which we don't need description in here. So we hit enter in here. So we do it like this. And again for pin 3, let's just go and see. Pin 3 is CHPD, and let's just call it CHPD. It's just a name. And I don't know if it's input or output. Let's just call it passive, no matter, just put it here. You see, we want a bigger component here, so we can put all the pin here. So I make it bigger. Let's just continue. Pin 4. Pin 4 is GPIO 16. GPIO 16. GPIO 16. And that is a GPIO that can be input or output. So it is okay to do it like this. And let's just hit tab to see if it is GPIO 12. So just make it 12.